Welcome to this comprehensive video review of The Money Wave, a program that has been making waves in the financial world. My name is Adam, and I'm here to share everything you need to know about it, including an important alert that could significantly impact your decision. So stick with me until the end of the video to get all the details. Throughout this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of The Money Wave. If you watch until the end and still decide to buy the program, I'll leave a link to the official website in the description below for your convenience. Stay with me because the alert will only be available in this video, and it's something you absolutely need to know before making any decisions. This alert could be a game changer, so make sure you don't miss it. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this information is crucial for you. So grab a pen and paper, take some notes, and let's get started on this journey to uncover everything about the Money Wave. Your financial future could depend on it. The Money Wave program is designed for manifesting wealth. It takes a unique approach, combining personal finance principles with the power of mindset and manifestation techniques. This program is ideal for individuals who want to align their financial goals with their inner beliefs, tapping into the law of attraction and other spiritual principles to create abundance in their lives. The foundation of this program is cultivating a mindset that attracts wealth and abundance. It all begins with understanding the power of your thoughts and how they influence your financial reality. By focusing on positive thinking and visualizing success, you can start to manifest the wealth you desire. Participants learn how to identify and overcome limiting beliefs about money, which are often deeply ingrained and can hold you back from achieving financial success. Through various exercises and group discussions, you will uncover these hidden barriers and learn strategies to dismantle them, replacing them with positive affirmations and a prosperous outlook. These affirmations are designed to rewire your brain, helping you to develop a more confident and successful demeanor. By consistently reinforcing positive messages about money, you can change your internal dialogue and start to see real changes in your financial situation. The program teaches that your thoughts and beliefs are powerful tools that can shape your financial reality. Expert coaches and motivational speakers provide insights and techniques to help you harness this power. You will also have access to a wealth of resources, including books and seminars, to further your understanding and growth. By shifting your mindset, you can open yourself up to new opportunities and wealth. This transformative journey is about more than just money. It's about creating a life of abundance and fulfillment. As you embrace this new mindset, you'll find yourself more open to possibilities and better equipped to seize opportunities that come your way. A key component of the program is the use of visualization exercises. These exercises are designed to help participants focus their minds and energies on their financial aspirations. Participants are guided to vividly imagine their financial goals as if they have already been achieved. This means creating a mental picture of their desired financial state down to the smallest details. These visualizations might include envisioning a debt-free life, a growing savings account, or even the joy of watching their investments flourish over time. They might also picture the lifestyle that wealth can provide, such as enjoying luxurious vacations, living in a dream home, or having the freedom to pursue passions without financial stress. By consistently practicing visualization, participants train their subconscious mind to work toward these goals. This practice helps to reinforce positive financial habits and decision-making. Over time, these visualizations can become a powerful motivator, making participants more likely to take the necessary steps to manifest their financial dreams into reality. The consistent focus on their goals helps to align their actions with their aspirations, leading to tangible results. The Money Wave program emphasizes the importance of daily affirmations and mantras. These are positive statements that participants repeat to reinforce their new money mindset. Examples might include affirmations like, "I am worthy of financial abundance," or "Money flows easily and freely into my life." By regularly affirming these statements, participants begin to internalize them, helping to shift their financial reality. The program also delves into the concept of energy alignment, teaching participants how to align their personal energy with the frequency of abundance. This may involve practices like meditation, breath work, or even movement exercises designed to unblock energy that might be preventing the flow of money into their lives. Now, I have one important alert to share about this program: where to buy it. The Money Wave program is only available for purchase on the official website, which is why I've left the link in the description of this video. If you like the program, which I highly recommend, you can find the link to purchase it below. Thank you so much for watching and see you around.